Welcome to the world of Indus. And we are happy to join hands with you to serve the humanity across the globe through innovative healthcare brands. In just 16 years, Indus has grown from 1 to 120 products in 12 therapy areas. Today, Indus has spread its wings globally and is now present in 30 countries with 150 professionals spread across geographies like Asia, Southeast Asia, Africa, Europe, Caribbean, and South America. Excellence is not an act, but a habit at Indus. Our world-class products, affordable pricing, excellent supply chain, strong field force, and good business practices have accredited Indus with many excellence awards like Federation of Indian Export Organizations Export Excellence Award, Farm Excel Award, Brand of the Year Award in Ghana, and State Bank of India Financial Discipline Award. What's more, now Indus brings you a 5-minute miracle. In today's fast and modern lifestyle, the incidence of heartburn due to acid reflux and GERD is alarming due to stress and busy schedules, overeating, eating irregularly or too quickly, eating just before bedtime, fatty, spicy and fried junk foods, caffeinated drinks, carbonated soft drinks, acidic juices and alcohol, and smoking. As published in many international journals, hyperacidity, acid reflux and GERD lead to heartburn. In hyperacidity, the excess acid from the stomach can move upward into the esophagus, known as acid reflux. As the lower esophageal sphincter, which joins the esophagus and stomach, becomes weak. Since the esophagus is not well protected like the stomach, the acid can irritate the lining and cause inflammation in the esophagus. This causes painful symptoms that can last for a few minutes to hours and can occur more frequently within a week. This chronic form of acid reflux is known as GERD, that is, gastroesophageal reflux disease. The major symptoms of heartburn due to acid reflux and GERD are a burning feeling in the chest, epigastric pain, a bitter or sour taste in the mouth, nausea after eating, regurgitation, frequent burping, flatulence and gas, stomach discomfort, difficulty in swallowing, sore throat and dry cough. The question now is, do regular antacids help? In hyperacidity and GERD, regular antacids can only neutralize the acids, leaving acid reflux unattended. To treat hyperacidity, acid reflux and GERD, Indus Life Sciences comes with a unique third-generation antacid named NuGel, which controls acidity, prevents reflux. NuGel offers balanced combination of alginic acid, magnesium hydroxide, dried aluminum hydroxide, magnesium trisilicate, and dimethicone. When a person takes NuGel, the raft-forming alginate physically blocks reflux through a unique mechanism. When alginic acid comes in contact with the gastric acid, the raft-forming alginate, which includes natural algae, begins to form a light but strong foam barrier known as raft. This raft floats on top of the stomach contents and prevents acid from moving upward to the esophagus. The alginate raft formula, containing balanced antacid components, offers a speedy onset of action in less than 5 minutes and provides rapid relief from acid reflux with effective neutralization of stomach acid. NuGel has long-lasting effects up to 4 hours, since the raft can be retained in the stomach for several hours. Dimethicone in NuGel is an anti-foaming agent. It reduces the surface tension of gas bubbles, causing them to combine into larger bubbles in the stomach, which can then be passed more easily by means of belching. Dimethicone thus relieves flatulence. Nugel is recommended in hyperacidity, GERD, gastroesophageal reflux disease, gastritis, flatulence, and as an adjuvant to NSAIDs. Nugel is available as Nugel 200 ml suspension and Nugel tablets with delicious mint flavor. Nugel is safe in pregnancy. Nugel is sugar-free, hence safe for diabetics. For patients with symptomatic pain due to gastric and duodenal ulcer, Indus also presents Nugel O, the alginate raft-forming antacid with mucosal anesthetic agent oxytocin. Oxytocin is a potent, safe, local anesthetic agent that provides prolonged anesthesia of mucous membranes, thereby offering prompt and prolonged relief of pain. Nugel O is available in 200 ml suspension with mint flavor. Nugel and Nugel O. Raft formation reduces intensity and frequency of reflux attacks. Works in less than 5 minutes. Offers long-lasting effect up to 4 hours. Sugar-free, hence safe for diabetics. Delicious mint flavor improves patient compliance. We thank the entire medical fraternity for supporting Indus in our journey towards better healthcare.